Hello guys, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles for our QGIS tutorials. Previously we had seen how to create layers, basically point, lines and polygon layers. So now for this tutorial, we are going to see how to add data into the points layer. So to begin with, let's first turn off these layers. As you can see, I've already turned them off. Before we begin adding in those layers, briefly let me show you how to edit these symbols for the points. So click on the point layer, right click, properties. So when you go to properties, you go to symbology. So when you go to symbology, now we can see that we have all these symbols here. So these symbols, we have these symbols here already. So it's a matter of you selecting what symbol you want to use, like this one, and then you can change its size from here. You can also change its color by clicking the color wheel and this arrow. Then you select the color you want to use. You can also change its opacity using this line here. So again, you can change the symbols you are using to gray. These are the gray symbols. Showcase symbols are here. We have topographic symbols, which are these. Or you can set to all symbols, such that all symbols are there. So basically those are that's the basic edit of a symbol. So let me say apply OK. So I'm going to go to compiler here, and we begin by by zooming into our layer. I uploaded an OpenStreetMap base map here. Believe you can see. So to add in layer, you have to make sure that the digitizing toolbar is there. So you right click here, anywhere in the space, go to toolbars, look for digitizing toolbar. So for me, I've already added it here. It's this and this one here. So you have to make sure that you select the layer you want to add in data. Right click, toggle editing. So it's now on. So we can see that these symbols are highlighted, or they are now active. So it means I can start editing or adding in my point layers. At the same time, if I want to stop, as I right click on the layer, I say toggle editing. You can see that now they are not active. If not, I can just click this pencil like feature here for toggle editing. So to use this, I have to make sure that I click this layer, then I click here, so we can see that they are now on. So after clicking toggle editing, I add these points here. So these points here, I click this one to add feature points. So we're going to select points randomly. And so there is this is Chambogo University. Click here. So I'll say one, the unique ID, Chambogo, for the name, Chambogo. Then location is Kampala. And then date, I select the date for today. I say okay. So you can see we have our first point there. So I look for another area to put a point there. So let me use Makerere. So let's look for Makerere University on our OpenStreetMap. So Makerere William Street is here. Street is here, so Makerere. I am not seeing it. Don't know why I'm not seeing it. So Makerere is this side. This is Makerere. Zone B, Zone 1. So Makerere University is this. So I click here, ID2. This is Makerere. Say it's in Kampala. The date of today. We say okay. So let's get a certain roundabout. Any roundabout we can spot is this one. What's its name? The Airtel roundabout around Kibuye. So click here, put a point there, name it 3. And this is Airtel roundabout, Kampala. And the date of today. So we can also choose to, we have institute, we have a roundabout, we can choose to have a hill. A hill, Mbuya. Let me use Mbuya. You can see this here. So, Mbuya. This is a hill. It's in Kampala. And date of today. So we say okay. So basically we have added 4 points. So before we proceed, you close your work, you have to first save. So one way is to click this save layer feature. So when I click on it, I see that it has saved our work. So if I go ahead to stop the editing, they don't bring me any prompt. But if I'm in editing mode, let me get a point anywhere. So there is this clinic here, MK clinic. This is ID 5, and this is MK clinic. Location is still in Kampala. And then date of today. So if I don't save and I forget to save, but I want to turn off the editing. If I say edit to stop, they are going to prompt me either to save or discard my changes. So let me save. So guys, basically that's how you add point data into your point layer. Basically that's it. Guys, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button, leave your questions and inquiries in the comment section. For any assistance, you can leave it in the comment section. We are glad to help. So guys, that's it for today. Stop here.